The ocean, a vast and enigmatic realm, holds secrets beyond our current comprehension. Far beneath its shimmering surface lies an entire world of deep-sea creatures, largely unseen by human eyes. According to the Smithsonian Ocean, this mysterious underwater expanse accounts for over 95% of Earth's living space, a staggering volume that could hide 20 Washington monuments stacked atop each other. It is a frontier on our own planet, teeming with life that consistently challenges our understanding of what is possible. This hidden world is no gentle paradise. The deep sea is an environment of profound extremes, where sunlight never penetrates and conditions are brutal. As detailed by how deep-sea creatures thrive in Earth's most extreme environment, pressures can exceed a staggering 1,000 atmospheres. This profound darkness, immense force, and perpetual cold have collectively shaped species with extraordinary adaptations, pushing the very boundaries of biological innovation to thrive in Earth's most challenging aquatic habitat. One of the most striking adaptations observed in the deep sea is the phenomenon of elongated lifespans. For creatures inhabiting this resource-poor realm, life is often a slow, metabolically reduced affair. Neil.Fun reports that the Orange Roughy, a deep-sea fish, can live for an astonishing 200 years. This incredible longevity is a common strategy, allowing species to mature slowly and reproduce over extended periods, an evolutionary response to infrequent meals and stable, cold conditions. This extended lifespan isn't exclusive to the deepest trenches but is also seen in ancient mariners like sea turtles. According to S'more Science, these fascinating reptiles are known for lifespans estimated between 50 to 100 years. Beyond their longevity, these unique marine animals are global navigators, capable of migrating vast distances. They can cross entire oceans, relying on unique navigational skills, a testament to their enduring evolutionary success in the Earth's waters. A primary driver for such extreme adaptations is the profound scarcity of food. In the deep sea, meals are rare, often separated by months or even years. Neil.Fun documents an extraordinary example. A giant isopod held in captivity survived for a staggering 5 years without consuming any food. This remarkable ability to endure prolonged periods of starvation highlights the ingenious survival strategies evolved by deep-sea inhabitants, where opportunistic feeding is key. In the perpetual twilight and darkness of the deep, visible light behaves uniquely. As sunlight penetrates the water column, colors are absorbed sequentially, with red being the first to entirely disappear from the spectrum. Deep-sea species have ingeniously exploited this physics. Neil.Fun explains that many creatures in this zone utilize the color red as camouflage, effectively rendering them invisible in an environment where red light simply does not exist for predators to detect. While red offers concealment, other creatures generate their own light. Bioluminescence is a widespread and vital adaptation in the deep sea, where it serves multiple purposes, from attracting mates to luring prey or deterring predators. How deep-sea creatures thrive describes these complex bioluminescent communication systems as transforming the abyss into a living light show, a testament to nature's ingenuity in the darkest reaches of the ocean. Beyond their ingenious survival mechanisms, deep-sea creatures are often characterized by their truly bizarre and alien appearance. Their forms are unlike anything typically seen on land, a stark reminder of evolution's diverse paths. Live Science notes that the deep ocean harbors creatures ranging from worms with squid-like tentacles to fish with teeth on their tongues, confirming their otherworldly nature and challenging our conventional notions of animal morphology and function. Consider the enigmatic worms with squid-like tentacles, a prime example of the deep sea's surreal inhabitants. Live Science highlights these creatures, whose elaborate appendages might serve various functions, from filtering scarce food particles to sensing their environment in the perpetual darkness. Such forms underscore how evolution, unconstrained by sunlight and surface norms, crafts life in truly unexpected ways, pushing the boundaries of what we conceive as a worm. Then there are fish with teeth not just in their jaws, but directly on their tongues. This particular adaptation, also cited by Live Science, suggests a specialized predatory strategy for securing slippery prey in the dark, unforgiving waters. It's a stark reminder that in the deep, every physiological feature is often a hyper-efficient tool for survival, demonstrating nature's relentless drive to innovate under extreme pressures. The midwater region, often termed the midnight zone, represents the largest living space on Earth. Here, according to Mbara Video's senior scientist Bruce Robison, animals exist in a vast, three-dimensional world devoid of solid surfaces. Creatures like the sea angel, described by Yimingchen/Getty Images as quite unlike the beings we're accustomed to seeing on land, drift gracefully, propelled by wing-like parapodia, embodying the fluid and serene yet challenging conditions of this immense liquid space. Some deep-sea inhabitants defy expectation with their anatomy, none more so than the fish with a transparent head. Bari researchers, during decades of deep-sea exploration, have captured footage of this remarkable creature. This unique adaptation allows the fish to gaze upwards through its translucent skull, likely to detect the silhouettes of prey against the faint bioluminescent light filtering from above, or to spot distant flashes, offering a unique insight into sensory evolution in the deep. Not all deep-sea creatures inspire awe through their strangeness or terror. Some, like the adorable octopus with webbed arms, also observed by Mbari researchers, captivate with their unique charm. Often referred to as the Dumbo octopus, its prominent ear-like fins evoke a sense of endearment, aiding its gentle propulsion through the water column. This creature demonstrates that even in the most extreme environments, nature produces a stunning diversity of forms, including the unexpectedly cute. Size is another impressive variable trait in the deep. Among the most awe-inspiring in scale is the Japanese spider crab. According to the deep sea, this colossal crustacean is the largest known crab, boasting an astounding maximum leg span of 3.8 meters, or over 12 feet. These immense creatures navigate the cold ocean floor of specific regions, their long, spindly legs adapted for deliberate movement across vast, often barren, abyssal plains, presenting a truly magnificent, almost alien sight. Even creatures that frequent surface waters make incredible journeys into the deep. Narwhals, known for their distinctive tusks, are profound divers. The deep sea states that these Arctic whales can dive to significant depths up to 15 times a day, primarily in search of food. Their ability to withstand extreme pressure and navigate the cold, dark waters illustrates the complex interplay between surface and deep-sea ecosystems, connecting disparate marine worlds. Some creatures evoke a sense of primal fear and mystery, fueling legends. The vampire of the sea, as mentioned in a Quora discussion, sounds ominous. While its exact identity can vary depending on regional folklore, the term often refers to the Vampiroteuthis infernalis, or vampire squid. This cephalopod has dark, webbed arms, and can invert itself into a spiky ball, using bioluminescence to create dazzling displays or defensive smokescreens, reinforcing the notion of the deep as home to truly strange, captivating life. Among the most extraordinary claims is that of the immortal jellyfish. While the term immortal is debated, these are the strangest creatures living deep in the ocean mentions it as one of the strangest. The Turritopsis dornii species is capable of reverting to an earlier stage of its life cycle after reaching sexual maturity, effectively cheating death by continually regenerating itself, offering a biological marvel of rejuvenation in the deep, hinting at nature's profound secrets. Another fascinating inhabitant of the sea, often found in tropical and subtropical waters, is the punching shrimp, as highlighted in various reports on bizarre marine life. Also known as the mantis shrimp, this creature possesses incredibly powerful appendages capable of striking prey with the force of a small-caliber bullet. This rapid, forceful attack creates cavitation bubbles, stunning or killing its victims, demonstrating a unique and violent predatory adaptation in the marine world. Despite decades of advanced exploration and technological breakthroughs, our understanding of deep-sea life remains remarkably incomplete. The ocean's depths continue to yield new secrets at an astounding rate. NOAA Fisheries consistently encourages us to dive in and learn about creatures of the deep, acknowledging that these mysterious species live way below the surface of the ocean, highlighting the vast, unexplored regions that still await human observation and scientific study. Recent years have seen an unprecedented acceleration in deep-sea discoveries. Just last year, scientists reported finding over 1,100 new marine species. This astounding figure, highlighted by Vox in partnership with the Ocean Census Initiative, underscores how truly unexplored much of our ocean remains, even with advanced submersibles. Each new discovery provides invaluable insights into marine biodiversity, ecosystem functions, and the intricate web of life on our planet. Among these recent revelations are creatures almost beyond belief, with names as captivating as their forms. News reports describe a worm that makes its home inside a glass castle, a mysterious ghost shark, and a carnivorous deathball sponge. These vivid descriptions, part of the 1,121 new species reported, illustrate the fantastical array of life that flourishes in the deep, challenging conventional biological categories and expanding our understanding. Further adding to the scientific catalog, researchers have uncovered 14 strange new deep-sea species, including a popcorn-like parasite. One particularly significant find was an isopod, which not only represented a new species but an entirely new genus, discovered in the Australian intertidal zone. These extraordinary discoveries, detailed in news reports, highlight the continuous unveiling of marine biodiversity, from the microscopic to the unexpectedly complex and unique. Even the seafloor itself holds secrets previously unimaginable. A deep-sea submersible made a groundbreaking discovery: worms and snails living in cavities below the seafloor. This marked the first time animals were found in such subsurface habitats, as reported in various news outlets. Researchers hypothesize these creatures may have been pushed into their subterranean homes by swirling waters from nearby hydrothermal vents, suggesting entirely new paradigms for understanding life's tenacity. The very deepest parts of the ocean, once thought devoid of complex life, are now known to teem with it. A Chinese submersible found creatures thriving nearly 10 kilometers below sea level in the Mariana Trench, an incredible feat of endurance. According to researchers, this marked the discovery of the deepest and the most extensive chemosynthesis-based communities known to exist on Earth, proving life's resilience and capacity for adaptation even in the abyssal hadal zone. The extreme environments of Earth's deep oceans are so unique, they're often compared to extraterrestrial settings. NASA, for instance, explores our deepest oceans as an analog for its quest to find life on moons like Europa. For a long time, marine biologists doubted life could exist in the hadal zone, but as deep-sea submersibles ventured there in the 20th century, it became apparent that life could survive, as noted by why NASA is exploring the deepest oceans. The ongoing revelations highlight the immense marine biodiversity hidden beneath the waves. From glittery sea worms to sea squirts fit for the Lord of the Rings universe, as described in recent news reports, these are not mere fantasy. They are very real, otherworldly creatures living in the deep sea, each a testament to evolution's limitless creativity and the ocean's boundless capacity to surprise us with its strange and magnificent inhabitants. While the deep sea captivates with its strangeness, vibrant ecosystems like coral reefs showcase biodiversity closer to the surface. Coral reefs teem with life, providing homes for millions of species. NOAA Fisheries reports that fish, lobsters, clams, seahorses, sponges, and sea turtles are just a few of the thousands of creatures that depend on reefs for their survival, demonstrating the ocean's astonishing range of diverse habitats and life forms, from surface to abyss. From the playful dolphins and otherworldly squid mentioned in Explore the 20 Most Magnificent Ocean Creatures to the most bizarre denizens of the deep, the ocean truly is brimming with life that defies belief. Each creature, whether majestic or microscopic, surface dweller or abyssal, is a masterpiece of nature, perfectly designed and adapted to survive and thrive in the vast, often unforgiving, waters, reminding us of Earth's incredible natural heritage. The journey into the deep sea has only just begun. As Deep Sea Exploration 2026 reveals new creatures, the future promises even more profound insights into marine biodiversity and the astonishing capabilities of life. New technologies and persistent scientific endeavor will continue to unveil hidden worlds. The ocean remains Earth's greatest unexplored frontier, a testament to the power of evolution and a constant source of wonder. Understanding these extraordinary deep-sea ecosystems and the creatures within them is not merely an academic pursuit, it is crucial for appreciating and protecting this vital part of our planet. These species hold clues to fundamental questions about life's origins, adaptation, and potential for survival in extreme conditions, even inspiring astrobiological research. Their continued existence is a barometer for the health of our global ocean. The very existence of life at extreme depths poses a fundamental question: How do organisms survive crushing pressures exceeding 1,000 atmospheres? How deep-sea creatures thrive. Notes these extraordinary creatures have evolved remarkable adaptations that allow them to maintain cellular integrity. These involve unique biochemical pathways, specialized proteins, and often fluid-filled bodies that equalize internal and external pressure, pushing the boundaries of biological innovation and defying conventional physics. The deep sea truly serves as a living laboratory, constantly challenging scientific understanding and offering profound insights. As Deep Sea Exploration 2026 and other reports suggest, continuous research reveals new species, technologies, and marine biodiversity insights, shaping ocean exploration and conservation for years to come. This enduring frontier, with its bizarre inhabitants and extreme conditions, holds fundamental answers to life's resilience, urging us to continue our meticulous investigative journey into the abyss.